Okay, you're my daughter's best friend in college. Got it. Yeah, just sit here and she should be back soon. I don't know when she's gonna get back, but is there anything that I can grab you? Like water, snacks? Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got you some water, and here are some snacks. Yeah, my daughter's running a little bit late, so I guess she can just wait here in the living room, so yeah. Anyways, how's everything with college? I see. So you're having guy problems. It's okay, dating in college can be a little bit confusing. Not every single guy in college is a jerk. I'm sure you'll find someone nice. You'll find a great guy. There's a lot of great, loyal guys out there. I'm sure you can snag one. I mean, you're a really pretty girl, so I'm sure you have a lot of guys lining up for you. Like a lot. I mean, if I was in college and I saw you, I would be waiting in line for you. I really would. But don't worry, you'll find a nice guy. I see. I mean, what kind of guys are you into? Interesting, so you like older guys. Makes sense, there's a lot of girls your age that love older men. Probably because they can supply more. I mean, how much older are we talking about? Like 2 to 3 years? Oh. Okay, that's my age. That's interesting. I mean, here, honestly, I'm sure you'll find someone nice around your age that's gonna be a little bit older. You will. Anyways, we're gonna change the topic. Tell me about your classes. That's good. I mean, if you study hard, you're gonna get really far. I mean, when I went to college, I had a hard time in some of my topics. That's where I met my wife. We had the same class together. It was like a math class, and I pretended to struggle so she can help me. But, I end up tutoring her instead. Yeah, she struggled in math. She's not very good at math. But she's good at everything else, She's a great mother. A great wife. She's practically my dream girl. And I love her very much. And someday you'll meet a man and you'll fall in love. Just like how I fell in love with my wife. You guys will be happy. You guys will get married. Have kids. It's gonna be a great life, trust me. He's out there. What do you mean I'm the man you want? Sweetie, I told you. I'm too old. I got a wife and kids. My wife would kill me. And you're practically my best friend's daughter. Trust me, you don't want to go down this route. You really don't. I mean, I do find you attractive. I think you're gorgeous, but we can't let this happen, What if word got out? That would ruin my family. That would ruin everything. I mean, as much as I want to, I can't, and I hope you understand. I really love my family. They're the world to me, but I can't do this with you. There is no way we can be a thing. I do. I told you, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful, and maybe if things were different, and maybe if I was younger, things would be really different, but we just can't be a thing. I'm sorry. I mean, you do kind of look like my wife when she was in college. That's why I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. I do. I love what you're wearing right now, but it's cute. It's adorable, and you're cute and you're adorable. And trust me, I would love to be with you. I mean, you're gorgeous, but I just can't. It cannot happen. No matter what, this cannot be a thing, and I hope you understand. You're so cute, but we can't let it get there, okay? We can never ever